When you think about an all-inclusive resort that truly delivers on the promise of unlimited experiences, Hotel Xcaret Mexico stands out as something genuinely different in the Riviera Maya. This isn't just another beachfront property where you check in, lounge by the pool, and call it a vacation. Instead, this resort has built its entire identity around offering guests access to multiple eco-parks and cultural experiences that go far beyond the typical resort boundaries. Located between Playa del Carmen and Tulum, the property sits along the Caribbean coastline in a region famous for cenotes, ancient Mayan ruins, and lush jungle landscapes. What makes this hotel particularly interesting is how it integrates Mexican culture and natural wonders into every aspect of the guest experience, from the architecture to the dining concepts to the included park access that comes with every reservation. The accommodations at Hotel Xcaret Mexico are designed to blend modern luxury with traditional Mexican aesthetics, creating spaces that feel both comfortable and culturally authentic. The resort offers several room categories, starting with their standard suites that are anything but basic. These entry-level accommodations feature contemporary Mexican design elements, with natural materials like wood and stone complementing modern amenities. Each suite includes a spacious layout with separate living areas, premium bedding, and bathrooms equipped with rainfall showers and high-end toiletries. The rooms incorporate smart technology that allows guests to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems through intuitive interfaces. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring natural light into the spaces while offering views of either the lush tropical gardens or the sparkling Caribbean Sea. For families or groups seeking more space, the resort provides family suites that include additional sleeping areas and larger living spaces without sacrificing any of the luxury touches found in standard accommodations. These family-oriented rooms often feature multiple bathrooms and separate zones that give parents and children some privacy while still keeping everyone together. The swim-up suites represent a step up in luxury, offering direct access to dedicated pool areas right from your private terrace. Imagine stepping out of your room and directly into refreshing water without navigating crowded pool decks or claiming loungers at sunrise. For guests seeking the absolute pinnacle of luxury, the resort offers exclusive suite categories with enhanced amenities, personalized concierge services, and access to private lounges and dining areas. These premium accommodations often include additional perks like premium spirits, private check-in services, and dedicated staff members who ensure every aspect of your stay exceeds expectations. Throughout all room categories, the attention to detail is evident, from the locally inspired artwork adorning the walls to the carefully curated minibar selections featuring Mexican brands and regional specialties. The resort has also made considerations for accessibility, offering specially designed rooms that accommodate guests with mobility challenges without compromising on style or comfort. The Culinary program at Hotel Xcaret Mexico is genuinely impressive, featuring over 10 restaurants that showcase different aspects of Mexican and international cuisine. Rather than the typical buffet-heavy approach many all-inclusive resorts take, this property emphasizes specialized dining venues with distinct culinary identities. The Mexican restaurants on property dive deep into regional cooking traditions, with venues dedicated to specific states and their unique flavors. You'll find restaurants celebrating the seafood-rich cuisine of coastal regions, the complex moles and traditional preparations of Oaxaca, and the bold flavors of northern Mexican cooking. Each venue works to educate guests about Mexican culinary heritage while delivering genuinely delicious food that goes beyond the tacos and enchiladas many visitors expect. The international dining options are equally thoughtful, with restaurants dedicated to Asian fusion, Mediterranean flavors, and contemporary international cuisine that draws inspiration from multiple culinary traditions. One particularly special dining experience involves a dinner set within a cave system, where the natural rock formations and underground rivers create an unforgettable atmosphere that you simply won't find at other resorts. The attention to ambience extends throughout the dining program, with open-air restaurants that take advantage of the tropical climate and ocean breezes, creating romantic settings perfect for special occasions. For guests who prefer casual dining, the resort offers more relaxed venues serving everything from gourmet burgers to fresh ceviche, ensuring that you don't need to dress up for every meal. The bar program is similarly extensive, with multiple bars scattered throughout the property serving premium spirits, craft cocktails featuring Mexican ingredients like mezcal and fresh tropical fruits, and an impressive selection of tequilas that range from smooth blancos to aged extra anillos. Some bars specialize in specific experiences, like mezcal tastings that educate guests about this traditional spirit's production and regional variations, or cocktail bars where skilled mixologists create innovative drinks that showcase local flavors. There's also a swim-up bar where you can enjoy your drink without leaving the pool, and lobby bars perfect for evening conversations over premium coffee or after-dinner drinks. The beverage program includes Mexican wines, craft beers from local breweries, and international labels, ensuring that even the most discerning drinkers will find options that satisfy their preferences. What really sets the dining experience apart is the quality of ingredients and preparation, with many dishes featuring locally sourced produce, sustainable seafood, and traditional cooking techniques that honor Mexican culinary heritage while meeting contemporary expectations for presentation and flavor. The pool and beach facilities at Hotel Xcaret México offer diverse aquatic experiences that go well beyond a single rectangular pool surrounded by loungers. The resort features multiple pool areas, each designed with different experiences in mind. There are activity pools where guests can participate in water aerobics and games, quiet pools designed for relaxation where the atmosphere remains calm and conversation stays at a whisper, and family pools where children can play and splash without disturbing guests seeking tranquility. The swim-up pool areas connect directly to certain room categories, creating semi-private aquatic spaces that feel exclusive while still being part of the larger resort environment. Throughout the pool zones, you'll find plenty of comfortable loungers, shaded cabanas for guests who want protection from the intense Caribbean sun, and attentive service staff who circulate regularly to take drink orders and provide fresh towels. The beach access is one of the resort's most appealing features, with the property sitting directly on a beautiful stretch of Caribbean coastline. The beach features soft white sand and the characteristic turquoise waters that make this region famous, with the resort maintaining the beach area to ensure it remains clean and inviting. Beach loungers and palapas provide comfortable spots to spend the day, and the water is generally calm enough for swimming, though conditions can vary depending on weather and season. The resort provides water sports equipment and activities, allowing guests to try their hand at kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling without additional charges. For those interested in exploring the underwater world, the snorkeling opportunities right off the beach reveal colorful fish and interesting rock formations, though serious divers will want to take advantage of the included access to the nearby parks where cenote diving offers truly unique experiences. The beach and pool areas never feel overcrowded thanks to the resort's thoughtful design and the fact that many guests spend their days exploring the included parks rather than remaining on property. This means you can often find quiet spots even during peak season, something that's increasingly rare at popular all-inclusive resorts. The combination of multiple pools and direct beach access ensures that whether you prefer freshwater or saltwater, active or relaxation-focused aquatic experiences, you'll find options that match your vacation style. Beyond the pools and beach, Hotel Xcaret México offers an extensive activity program that keeps active guests thoroughly entertained. The fitness center features modern equipment including cardio machines, free weights, and functional training areas, with floor-to-ceiling windows that make working out feel less like a chore when you're overlooking tropical landscapes. Group fitness classes are offered throughout the day, including yoga sessions, water aerobics, and dance classes that incorporate Latin rhythms and movements. The resort's commitment to wellness extends beyond traditional fitness, with activities designed to connect guests with nature and Mexican cultural traditions. You might find yourself participating in a traditional Mayan ceremony, learning about ancient rituals and their modern significance, or joining a chocolate-making workshop that explores cacao's importance in Mayan culture. The resort organizes cultural performances throughout the week, with traditional dancers, musicians, and artists sharing their crafts with guests. These aren't just brief shows, but rather immersive experiences that educate and entertain simultaneously. For sports enthusiasts, there are facilities for tennis, beach volleyball, and other recreational activities, though the real draw for most guests is the included access to the Xcaret parks. This unique feature means your resort stay includes unlimited visits to Xcaret Park, Xel-Há, Xplor, Fuego, Xoximilco, Xenses, and Xavage. Each park offers completely different experiences, from swimming in underground rivers and exploring Mayan ruins at Xcaret to flying through the jungle on zip lines at Xplor, or enjoying a traditional Mexican fiesta on floating boats at Xoximilco. This park access transforms a typical resort vacation into an adventure-filled experience where you can try something completely different each day. The parks are located nearby with comfortable transportation provided by the resort, making it easy to spend a full day exploring before returning to the hotel for dinner and evening relaxation. This combination of on-property activities and off-site adventures means you could easily spend a week or more at the resort without ever feeling bored or running out of new experiences to try. The spa at Hotel Xcaret Mexico takes wellness seriously, offering a comprehensive menu of treatments that blend international spa techniques with traditional Mexican healing practices. The facility itself is designed as a sanctuary, with treatment rooms that incorporate natural elements and create a sense of being connected to the surrounding environment. The treatment menu includes everything from classic massages and facials to more specialized services like traditional Mayan healing rituals that use ancient techniques passed down through generations. These traditional treatments often incorporate local ingredients like cacao, honey, and indigenous plants known for their therapeutic properties. The spa offers hydrotherapy circuits that guide guests through different water experiences, including pools at varying temperatures, powerful jets that massage tired muscles, and steam rooms infused with aromatic herbs. This hydrotherapy journey is designed to prepare the body for treatments while providing therapeutic benefits on its own. For couples, there are specialized treatments that allow partners to enjoy spa services together in private suites, creating romantic wellness experiences that enhance the vacation. The spa also offers beauty services including hairstyling, manicures, and pedicures for guests who want to look their best for special dinners or events. Beyond individual treatments, the spa promotes overall wellness through its design and philosophy, encouraging guests to slow down, disconnect from daily stresses, and reconnect with themselves and their travel companions. The therapists are highly trained and skilled at adjusting pressure and techniques based on individual preferences and needs. Many guests find that scheduling a spa treatment midway through their vacation helps them fully relax and makes the second half of their trip even more enjoyable. The spa also offers wellness packages that combine multiple treatments over several days, creating comprehensive programs designed to address specific goals like stress reduction, detoxification, or simply deep relaxation. The products used in treatments are carefully selected, with many featuring natural ingredients and Mexican brands that reflect the resort's commitment to showcasing local excellence. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.